why do you shrink stamped images? So, you know, everyone's different. Everyone has different nail sizes, including myself. And when we design our plates, there's no one right way to make it. So say for example, we have individual designs, which, you know, if you have small nails, something like this could definitely fit on your nail. However, you know, we have full nail designs, or even buffet style, which means like maybe it takes up half of the plate, where you can kind of pick and choose whatever part of the image you want to select for your nails. But, you know, say for instance, you can kind of see how big this image is and how small my nail is right now. And maybe I'll get like a dog and a half, you know? So it's mainly, you know, the concept and the technique is for people who have smaller nails, or maybe if like your pinky or something, to fit more of the design onto the nail.